Hi friends, welcome to NetTalks Tamil. Today we are going to discuss about static routing lab. The, let's take this scenario. Left side one is a Delhi, right side one is a Chennai. The two locations we are going to interconnect by this link. Two routers are connected. Under the Delhi, we are going to use the 10.10.10.0/24 IP for the LAN. Under the Chennai, 20.20.20.0/24 for the Chennai LAN. This 10 dot and 20 dot is a LAN segment of the respective location. The 100 dot, 100 dot, 100 dot I'm going to use as a between WAN link between this Chennai and Delhi. Now how we are going to do routing? Let's discuss. Now, okay, let me do from the scratch one by one router. We are keeping the two routers and then two switches for the LAN connectivity for the respective location. Two switches are kept. Two routers, two switches. And then let us connect the router to router and switches, router to switches. Now we extend the connectivity between the core devices, router to router, router to switch. Now let's bring the PC under the location LAN, the PC or laptop, whatever. Now we have brought the two missions from the both the locations. Now let us connect those machines into the switches. Now PCs are connected. This is for LAN connectivity. Now let us do the naming for the devices to understand for us. It's for easy understanding. Okay, let us use the text bar which is here. The text bar is here. Use this text bar and put a naming and the IP schema, whatever you're going to configure it. The 10.10.10.1 is a gateway for this LAN segment. That IP I'll be configuring it. LAN interface of router, which is facing towards LAN. Now for this PC 10.10.10.2 will be the IP. Gateway will be 10.10.10.1. The /24 subnet mask we all know 255.255.255.0. Ten dot 10.10.3 is I'm going to assign IP for laptop 1. For this LAN subnet, I'm going to assign IP 20.20.20.1 as a gateway IP for this router, which is gateway for a complete network of Chennai. This I'm doing for just for copy paste purpose. Okay, after that I will correct it. 20.20.20.2 is this PC IP address. 20.20.20.3 is this PC IP address. For this both the PCs 20.20.20.1 is a gateway IP address, which is the router LAN interface. See, the LAN means See, which is connected to the LAN. I'm telling it's a LAN interface. Okay, there is a nothing LAN interface. When whatever interface we are deciding, that could be the LAN or WAN. Here I decided this interface is a WAN, so it is a WAN. This interface is a LAN. I decided. Okay, vice versa also I can change. Let's rearrange it for easy understanding. This all naming creation is for our understanding. Based on that, we can configure devices easily. Now let's decide IP for the WAN connectivity. 100.100.100.0/30. Say I'm using /30. Okay, you can use this 24, whatever is it segment. Okay, we will subnetting we will cover in upcoming session to get a more clarity. /30 means it is a 255.255.255.252 means two valid IP only we'll get in that network. Okay, this IP I'm going to assign for this WAN. This IP I'm going to assign for this right side router. Now let's assign an IP address to the PCs. 10.10.10.2 255.255.0 10.10.10.1. Let's assign IP in similar way to all the devices. For this PC 10.10.10.3. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now we are configuring for the Chennai location LAN IPs for those PC 10.20.20.20.213. For this PC 20.20.20.2. Now let us do the router configuration. Now in such we no need to do any configuration for this scenario. Why? Because the default VLAN will be assigned to all the ports. So the communication will happen. If you are changing the VLAN or if you're doing any enabling different VLAN, then only we need to do the switch configuration. Now this switch will act as a unmanaged switch since by default all act as a VLAN 1. If you want different VLAN, that we need to configure respective VLAN in that switch port. Now since we are more focusing on the routing part, so I'm not doing any VLAN changes in the switches. If you want in live scenario, there will be we need to configure VLANs and all based on the office need. Now I'm assigning the IP to the interface, which is the interface GA0/0/1, which is Chennai office LAN. For that IP is 20.20.20.1. 255.255.250 is a subnet mask. Now I have configured. I have no shut. By giving no shut, this became a green now. Earlier it was a red. After giving this, now let's enable this port as well. WAN port 100.100.100.2 255.255.255.0. No shut. Now let's configure this router as well. Delhi router as well. config t, hostname, see I configured without a host name that giving the syntax, so it's not taking. Now I'm giving a correct syntax host name, and then I need to give a host name. Now host name is configured. Let us configure a LAN and WAN IP of Delhi location. Yeah, Delhi location LAN IP is 10.10.10.1, and then subnet mask is given a /24. G80/0/0/0, and then IP address 100.100.100.1, for that 255.255.252. In the right side router while configuring, I given as a /24. Okay, that you can make it as a /30. Now let's save the configuration. Now this for simple understanding, I'm giving as a naming. It's for only for understanding. Okay, that whatever we are doing in the naming, okay, that we're not going to do with anything with the configurations. This for only for naming purpose. Now let's enable a routing from Delhi to Chennai. From Delhi, if I want to reach Chennai LAN subnet, before that, let's ping a PCs which is connected here. Okay, I'm making a self ping to the Delhi router itself. From Delhi to Delhi itself. Okay, Delhi which I interface I configured. It's a self test. Okay, I'm doing it. It's pinging. Let's do here in Chennai as well that same test. This IP which is configured in the same LAN interface, I'm doing it. After that, we are supposed to do the neighbor IP as well. I'm not shown here. Please do it while doing it. Okay, you ping the neighbor IP from Chennai to Delhi, Delhi to Chennai. I have pinged the self IP. Now let's ping from gateway PC to gateway, whether gateway is pinging or not. Yeah, gateway is reachable. Now let's try to ping the other location gateway, whether it's pinging. No, it will not ping. We need to enable routing for that. Otherwise, it will not ping. Let's ping from here also, from other location to other location gateway, and then again we'll ping Delhi location gateway. No, it's not pinging. Let's do the configuration from Delhi to reach Chennai. Okay, I am putting a route, IP route, that is a Chennai subnet 20.20.20. Okay, to reach Chennai, this is the my way. This is my way. Okay, I need to reach Chennai via this IP. I have added this route. Now I'm going to configure the Chennai router from Chennai to Delhi router. IP route Chennai Delhi IP 10.10.10.0/24. I'll put as an next stop IP is reachable. From here to reach Delhi via this 10.10.10.0/24 100.100.100.1. From here to reach this is the gateway. From here to reach here, this is the gateway. Now I give the show IP route. Now I am able to see to reach a 10 from Chennai 100.100.1 is the via. In Delhi router to reach 20 segment, this is a via. If we give the show IP route, it will show which via it will go. From here it is the via. This IP is the via to reach that. Now let's ping the PCs. First time it will take time. It has to learn R. Post that it will communicate immediately. Yeah, now its communication has started. Which was earlier dropping at a gateway itself. Now I am able to communicate from 10 to 20. I mean Delhi to Chennai. Delhi land to Chennai land. Now let's give a try from Chennai to Delhi, which is vice versa. Yes, now it's working. I'm picking this PC. First time it will take our time. Earlier for this, from here to there communication is established. So first time ARP is happened here. Second time I'm trying from here. Already ARP table is there, so it is worked immediately. But 10.10.3 it is taken one time ARP. See now after enabling static route, I'm able to ping from here to here. See from here to reach 20 dot, this is a gateway. From here to reach 10 dot, this is a gateway. Syntax is simple. IP route, what is the destination IP, and then destination subnet, and then next hop IP, which means which via it has to go. IP route, IP space route space destination IP, and then destination subnet mask, and then next hop IP. Hope this video makes clear about static routing. Please do the lab. If you have any doubt, please drop your doubts in the comment box. It will be addressed in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching NetTalks Tamil. Please like it, share it, subscribe it. If you have any doubts, please drop your doubts in comment box. It will be addressed in upcoming video.